How to add PayPal on Amazon. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, if you want to add your PayPal on Amazon as a way to pay your different products that you're trying to purchase, unfortunately, that is not available. Amazon does not accept PayPal as a payment method as of now. But we have a workaround for this. We could actually utilize platforms such as Game Card Delivery or G2A to purchase Amazon gift cards, as you can see here, and purchase them through PayPal. So through this method, we will be able to use our PayPal funds to purchase an Amazon product by simply using a gift card. When purchasing a gift card, we will be able to receive a code. And over here in Amazon checkout, simply enter the gift card code that you have over here in their section or enter code section. And you will then be able to utilize the funds inside of that gift card. So through that, we are able to utilize our PayPal to pay for our products in Amazon. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.